Let's go to... Where are we going? San Jose?
Jollibee.
Yeah, we're gonna get Jollibee. Here's the update in our plants. Ayan, they are all growing na, guys. Today is July 4th. 4th of July. So nice and healthy. Good morning, everyone. Ayan, ito naman is back to our channel, Korea's Vlogs. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Hubby is busy. Are you gonna make
Omelette.
Yay! Yeah. And Marley, hi Marley. Say happy 4th, everyone. And there's Easy on the floor. Happy 4th, everyone. Hi Easy. And I don't know where Minnie is.
A few inches later.
Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Yes, happy 4th of July. We have a matching t-shirt.
Yeah.
Let's go to... Where are we going? San Jose?
Jollibee.
Yeah, we're gonna get Jollibee, guys.
Because we don't have one in town. And they refuse to make one. I think it'll make a lot of money.
So let's go.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Hey guys.
We made it.
Yeah, so let's go and check out the Jollibee. Order. Sabi got the fries. Burger. Get pineapple pieces. And then got my 1-piece chicken. Abby is enjoying his chicken burger. Aww. Is it so good? Yeah, it's waiting for our another order. Tapos na kami kumain. Busy dito, guys. Here in Eastridge Mall.
Trying to find a parking spot.
3 hours later.
Home, guys. Marley found something.
We're home, Ace. We're home, Mama.
We got a bucket of spicy chicken from Jollibee. Not a sponsored video. Yung nabili natin sa Victoria's Secret. Nakabili ako ng ayan, Brago. Dalawa, guys. Ayan. And then ayan, love spell na perfume, fragrance mist. Nasa ano to binayaran ko? Nasa $65.57. Yung brand nila is nasa ano na lang siya, $36.95, pero nasa $20 na lang each. And then yung love spell na yan is $19.95. Meron silang ano nasa naka-promo na 5 for $40, pero hindi na ako bumili kasi ang dami ko pang Bath and Body Works, so isa lang binili ko, kaya yan yung price niya. Ayan, doon sa mall, guys. Tapos nakabili din ako ng dalawang dress para sa baby ko kasi graduate siya doon sa H&M naman. Yan, dalawang unicorn dress ibigay ko sa kanya. Yung isa is pinks. Ayan. Siguro naman nagbayad nito. And then nakabili ako ng parang ayan, pang cycling, guys, kasi need ko to siya sa MK pag nag-dress ako. So yan lang yung nabili natin doon. Ito kami, guys, sa Gilroy High School. We're gonna watch the fireworks. Ayan, medyo madilim na siya, pero
Half a Gilroy comes over y'all every year.
we are still waiting. Ang daming tao, guys. Ayan, nag-aabang sa fireworks. Ayan si Habi, puno ng mga sasakyan. Guys, ayan, uwian na. Tingnan nyo, lahat ng cars trying to get out at the same time.
Yeah, we're gonna wait a while. That is why I don't.
That one is going and that one is going too.
This is why I don't wanna. I wanna wait.
There's some more over there. Oh my god. Everybody's leaving. Okay, go. Okay, hit each other. Works, guys. Fireworks Mustangs.
You're like Mustangs.